All right, street rod time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1937 Plymouth street rod four-door sedan. This particular car is still Mopar powered. 440 underneath the hood, 727 automatic transmission paired up to it. This is a steel vehicle with the exception of the passenger rear fender, FYI. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular street rod coming out of long-term ownership. Family had it for quite some time. I attended a lot of these street rod events in our area and throughout the Midwest. So it is a little older build. It is not a build that we did personally here at Unique. See, it's riding on Mopar tires yet. Excuse me, Mopar wheels, radial tires. Interior is a cloth burgundy, carrying the burgundy on burgundy theme throughout it. Tilt column, shifter on the column. Now, a few of the things that we did note when it ran through our inspection, we'll need a little TLC on the brakes as far as the hoses and wheel cylinders. I also noticed the fuel gauge was an op, so there are a few things that the seller elected to just sell as is and reflect it in the price. Take a close look at the underside. Should be able to see some of the build features underneath there also. Drive shaft alignment and such. Anyway, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See some Frenched-in taillights back here, also Frenched-in antenna, which is power and runs on a separate switch. Sounds like the motor was running on it. I did not have it all the way up or down. Also, stereo is in the glove box along with a CB radio. Did not have that power up. It looks like there's power to it, judging by the clock, but I did not have the radio powered up either. Remember, still pictures, you want to take a look at this one top to bottom, underside, engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. All right, let's take a little peek in the back. Nice thing about this, you got family or friends want to ride with. Plenty of room in the rear of this car. As you can see, the cloth fabric still in nice shape back there. Grandkids, what have you. There are seat belts for them also. All right, let's go ahead, take a look at the front and close that rear door all the way. All right, manual windows. Again, 440 with a 727 automatic transmission paired up with it. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you hear it run. Starts easily, good sounding. Again, over here you would have the radio CB set up in the glove box. This was the power antenna switch right here. Oh, excuse me. That was the wiper. Wiper does work, as you can see. Power antenna. Sorry, it was this one right here. You can hear the motor run for the antenna. Would also have cowl vent. That is in working order. Tilt column, if I mentioned that or not. All right, slip around to the back here. Nice little rumble coming out of that 440. I'm going to slip up to the front, pop one of the hood panels so we can take a look at the engine bay, let you see that run, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 440 in there. Metal brought card. See a little dress up with the chrome valve covers. Smooth running 440. And I do have pictures from the other side of the engine bay, trunk, interior, again underside, so probably close to 80 pictures of this car online. If you want to check it out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link Down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726, 1937 Plymouth four-door sedan. Street rod. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call that area.